Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the teleport area component in WEAVR Creator. First, go to your hierarchy and select your environment floor or platform. This is usually the surface where you want the user to be able to move. Once selected, go to the inspector, click Add Component, search for teleport area, and add it. As soon as you add the teleport area, that surface becomes a valid movement area. As long as the object has a collider, for example a box collider or any other collider covering the floor, the user will be able to teleport within the defined space. Inside the teleport area component, you will see an option called Disable when teleport. If this is enabled, the teleport area will be disabled after the user teleports onto it. This is useful when you want the user to teleport to a specific location only once and prevent further teleporting from that area. Now, let's quickly look at the movement types. In the top toolbar, go to WEAVR, then Settings, and open the player settings. If you scroll down, you will find the VR movement options. Here, you can change how the user moves in the scene. Blink allows the user to instantly move from one position to another without seeing the transition. Teleport shows a visible movement towards the selected location before arriving there. Continuous allows the user to move freely using the joystick, walking forward, backward, and sideways. You can also adjust movement speed and rotation settings depending on your needs. Once configured, press Apply. With your teleport area added to the floor and your movement settings configured, the user will now be able to move around the scene properly in VR. You can test this in play mode.